What's up?
Look at this.
Oh,
Birds shit my door.
poo poo. Nice. Yes. Woo. So why are we here?
Do I need to tap?
Yes. So what we're gonna do today?
Remove the engine
Why?
because it's gonna be painted,
Ooh.
and now the bodywork, like
Yeah.
you can see on that is the base.
It needs some fixing
It's like fucked
because
up.
this bit.
Yeah, but on the rust on the other side, here is also.
Yeah, the fender's a bit fogged.
But
There.
and that's the.
Yeah, this rust needs to be fixed. There was no hole the last time we saw this.
No, but it was a hole.
Yeah, but it, you know,
Smaller.
it's an old Skoda, so what you gonna do? It's still pretty good.
You still have a little bit there, but
Yeah, but that's just like surface,
yeah, they
normal
can
shit.
fix it.
We're gonna take everything apart, take the engine out, hopefully.
Yeah, it's my at the end of this, it should be only the rolling chassis and nothing else.
Nice.
Here's clean.
Last time we cleaned this pretty good. It's nice, but
Yeah.
we're gonna.
Last time I drove it was to here.
Yeah,
And
that was like a year ago.
yeah, more than a year. Year and a half, year and 2 months.
Take all the fluids out, remove all these reservoirs, the computers and things, unbolt a few things, take out the axles,
Yep.
and it's gonna come out. It's pretty easy. It's a Skoda, so all you need is a 10mm, 13mm, and a screwdriver and a hammer.
You have this chute,
Yeah.
which yours doesn't have.
Yeah, because I got the old models. Oh, this shit's been in the sun all day long. It's super hot. So first things first, before we start, I have gifts.
Oh yes, you need to try it.
Ooh. So what we got here
This is super rare.
is the rarest Skoda part, which everyone wants. And
I
it's
searched it like 2 years for this.
It's an Autoplus visor for a Skoda Favorit. These go for like stupid money, but we got them really cheap. From one guy, brand new packaged. I also got one, of course. So this is pretty much mint, brand new condition,
So we need to tear it up, right?
I guess. Fresh old parts.
Oh yes. It's just plastic though, but
Yeah, but it's super expensive otherwise, but what you gonna do?
like this.
Oh yeah. Look at this ass.
How does it look?
Look at it.
Oh my god.
Shit, yeah. It's gonna be so
How
mint.
does it look from inside?
Whew.
It's okay. You can probably still see.
Maybe.
Maybe.
But who gives a shit? It looks goddamn cool.
Yep. That's the point.
Yeah.
So how do you?
Then there's this mounting things. Here's a bunch of these plates which you just glue on the window, and then you have little like screws that go over here and you just tighten it down, I guess.
You should look like this is pretty, how to say, pretty cheaply made.
Yeah, well,
Really?
it's an
It's,
old
it's
piece of
like-
plastic,
Yeah, old piece of mold, and they just.
but still, at least it looks awesome.
Yep. It's gonna look awesome on that new car.
Yeah, and on my Skoda. Ooh.
And also, if you can see, it's still almost fit the.
Yeah.
You can see it has that. Maybe I should just a little bit
Maybe it's gonna have to be sanded down just a little bit
because
for perfect
it
fitment.
doesn't really.
Yeah, because it hits the wing a little bit, but what you gonna do? This was probably like 10 bucks new, but this go for like 300 euros now, so it's pretty stupid.
For both we get for both.
Yeah,
we
for less than they sell old ones, we got 2 brand new ones.
So
That's pretty good. It was a good deal. I had to buy one. I don't care even if I put it on a wall, it's mint.
So tell me how you're feeling. How are you feeling?
Awesome. We're almost ready to pull this engine. Just gotta take this hose off, and then we need to take out the axles from the gearbox, and then we just loosen this mount, the mount in the back, and the mount over there.
Yep.
And I think we also have to take that wheel lining out because you can't get to the bolt otherwise for the mount, but no big deal. Just do this bolt, we're gonna do the rear one, did the exhaust. Everything got bolted well except for one bolt.
Yeah, but
No problem, we just
we're gonna
used some big tools and took it out. And
So I need to remove all the trimmings. Oh shit.
mostly on the other side.
Here we have some bags for storing all the bits. So we're like professionals.
Ziploc bags for bolts, and then you write on them and that's it.
Yep. Oh shit.
You made a pee-pee.
Made a pee-pee.
Pee-pee, pee-pee.
Pee-pee, pee-pee.
Would you look at this?
Yep.
Big spoily cunt.
Spidey cunt.
Little fucker. We already killed a bunch of spiders in this car today. Yeah, everything is pretty much out.
Look at that space there.
Whew, nice. When you remove all this and the reservoirs and everything. Now we just need to disconnect gearbox, axles, and it's ready to come out. We're gonna need a few people to help, but it shouldn't be a problem. So here we finally have one Skoda motor and one Skoda without a motor. So we successfully did it in a few hours with some help. we made some damage, oopsie, but it's just a distributor, so these are like 10 bucks new. We're gonna replace it anyways.
You need to decide if this car is gonna be the same in here, because it's gonna be less work,
Yeah.
or because in one point I don't really want to destroy the dashboard because it's
If you want to take all of that out and the heater, you have to take the dash part out at
and
least.
then it's the same if I just take all of that.
Then we also need to do the whole motor.
Yeah.
Probably keeping it silver, but nicely cleaned or painted. Probably paint the block.
The bottom will be painted probably. This
Yeah,
I'm
like
gonna
clean it really well.
Really well.
And if you zinc plated all of these brackets and shit, that would be awesome.
I will bring you that and you will.
And the mounts are all solid. Need to paint the mounts.
Yep.
Clean the starter.
I don't know if I'm gonna paint it silver, like nice silver like this,
Yeah.
or I'm going to, I don't know, maybe do black ones. I don't know. I really want chrome this, but it's expensive. Chrome
Yeah.
is expensive, so I don't know.
Maybe you'd have to ask. Maybe it's not that expensive. Who knows?
Maybe.
But it would be awesome.
Yes.
Pretty much it. Here's the axles. Maybe paint them. They need new boots on
Yeah, that's need to
and clean the airbox and all that stuff.
Yeah, maybe get this pipe black.
But most importantly, tuck all these horrible wires.
Yeah, that's really.
Oof.
We're gonna
Paint brake booster.
Yep, because it's crusted to shit.
Yeah, it's pretty bad in there.
We also need to change a lot of different parts like suspension.
Yeah, whole suspension, new brakes.
I also need to cook.
But other than that, just mostly body work, like this stuff.
Yeah, thanks.
Dents like
But
everywhere.
I will leave this original because the copies are bad.
Yeah, just like
So-
a good body guy and
and also wire tack. The most
And-
thing, the most as engine bay is the wire tack. You can't.
most importantly, you need to make the salad shooters mint.
Yeah.
Oh, that's getting so good.
So
Salad
that's
shooters?
That's why. If I go work on this and take all of it out, then I'm not gonna have time for salad shooters.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Like I did my car, I did the engine bay, and I probably won't ever do that again, because I want my cars to be driving, and if you have a perfect engine bay, it's gonna get nasty anyways if you drive it.
Yeah, that's why.
So I'd rather focus on an awesome outside and a good interior,
Yeah, so
and just make this clean, not like insane, just clean and fresh.
yeah, clean. Everything else, what I can paint, we will be painted. But look, if that's the color, when I'm gonna find, maybe this is gonna be painted with black, because it's the mount for the battery. But anything else, wire tack. The most
Yeah.
important is the wire tack for me. The motor will.
But then
Because the interior is so mint. If I'm going to destroy the dashboard, it's gonna creak. It's gonna.
it's already
Wait.
perfect with that steering wheel, black dash, these seats. It's already mint.
Yeah.
There's
I
nothing
need to take
change.
the seats out and the carpet out because they wanted the.
Yeah, so you can paint the
Yeah.
door seams and everything.
But otherwise.
But it's not that much work for
No.
that. It's just these plastics, you take them off and you can just roll the carpet in and
Yeah.
it's gonna be good.
For right now, I don't think I will get the Vapor carburetors on because it's too much work. Too much work with because this car already has the pump.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the mechanical pump. It's gonna be problem with the carburetors are old, so it can leak, and then you must rebuild them all, and it's expensive.
Yeah.
New ones are like $100. So
Maybe you can like rebuild them over winter slowly
yeah,
and then
slowly,
next
and
year
make,
maybe
custom intake and
maybe next year install them and
But
stuff.
for now, it's gonna be the old motor in, and because I want it to be done in September.
Yeah. So yeah. Thumbs up this video. Maybe I'm gonna start working on mine. So more Skoda content.
You need to- It's awesome.
Or maybe
Oh,
I'm gonna buy another one.
but I need first I need to and the original mufflers are going in because this is too loud.
Yeah, this is as you heard at the start. It's a straight pipe with a check muffler, so it's yeah, it's pretty damn nasty. I guess we're gonna do more things soon, and then once the parts get here, we're gonna do some engine stuff.
Yeah, he will tell me what to order. Probably gonna be like 400 euros.
Yeah, but luckily it's really cheap for these cars.
Yeah, everything is.
If you ordered for anything else, it would be double the cost easily.
Probably it's just the cables for BMW are that.
Yeah, like distributor is like $10, like other gaskets are
But
like $20.
You know what? Distributed is okay.
Yeah, it's just the cap. It's nothing.
Yeah, but everything else, like
We just-
rotor, everything
Look.
else.
We dropped a whole Skoda on this rotor accidentally because the jack fell. Oops. And yeah, it still works.
Maybe it would work if it's not gonna
If you used some glue.
No, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, just
Just everything.
a quick refresh. We're not gonna tear the whole engine apart. We're not
Well,
gonna take the
because-
head off or
Because
anything.
this engine has 60,000 on it, so
Yeah,
it's good.
it works great. So don't mess with it. It's good.
Because it started like 1 year.
Mine was sitting under a tree for a year and it started first try. So these are mint.
I just love it that the motor is finally out and the car started to. It was long year.
Yeah.
I always every day I was thinking when I'm gonna start this, and now it's gonna.
Finally got the garage and we can work in here.
Yeah, finally got the house situated and.
It's all good. So yeah, it's pretty much it for this. Hopefully soon some parts and then we're gonna maybe do some wheels and
Yeah, I'm gonna first sandblast them and.
yeah, and I gotta do mine too.
Yeah, but you're sandblasted.
Yeah, I still need to touch up.
I sandblasted you like 1 year ago.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, like, comment and subscribe for more Skoda videos. Woo!
Let's go for a drink.
Yeah.
Drink.